Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on the NOTCOIN, or on NOT, whatever you want to call it. We'll do a full update. We'll talk about the technicals. We'll talk about the fundamentals. We'll talk about my opinions on NOTCOIN right now. I know a lot of you are interested in this still, and just in general are trading it. So just wanted to give you my thoughts. I tweeted about it this morning as well. So if you don't follow me on X, then what are you doing? Follow me right now. But no, in general, those are my thoughts. All right. So I think we're actually still pretty bullish, and I don't think that's a weird thing to say. I mean, if you look at the four-hour time frame, we rallied a lot. Sure, we found some strong resistance at 3 cents. All right, so we cannot deny that. That was a very strong level in general as well. So that was to be expected. But now we have dropped down to the 382 fib and a 28 EMA. And we're still holding that level very, very well. All right, so everybody that's talking about not being bearish, I think you need to zoom out. I mean, as long as we hold 1.9 and 2 cents, we are still extremely bullish technically. Now, the big reason why people maybe are getting worried, and I agree with that, is that if you look at NOTCOIN, the volume is still relatively high, but the volume is dropping. And dropping volume for a meme coin is not great. It's a bearish indication. And then the momentum is also, like, the momentum yesterday was pretty steady. And that's still the case right now. But there's no significant increase in the momentum. So if there's, like, what you want to see with a meme coin that has a lot of potential, like not being the #1 meme coin on ton, fundamentally it has a lot of potential. But then you want it to keep momentum. And now we're losing volume. Now, what we are seeing this morning, and that's what I think is interesting, and I also wanted to talk about that in this video, so let's get right into it. This morning, we actually started to gain some momentum. Now, I think it's much too early to actually say that this is going anywhere, because if this would be a rally, so if the momentum starts to rally up here, this would be the start, all right? And it's always difficult to interpret that's the start of something. Like we could top out right here and drop back down, and then the momentum is still not doing anything. So we need to be careful here. But I do think that there's a slight, like, just in general, I think there's reasons to be optimistic due to the market structure if you zoom out. But I think on the short term, we're also seeing some bullish indications. Now, ultimately now, if you really zoom in, and if you want to zoom in, I think NOT is consolidating. All right, so we are kind of bouncing around between 2/2.05 cents, and then at this point of time, like 2.25 and 2.3 cents. So that's the bottom of this red area now. That's the main resistance level. So for now, we're consolidating, but I actually do think that if we're talking about a breakout out of this consolidation, so then I am talking about the bigger consolidation, so between 1.9 and let's say 2.4 cents. If you think this is the consolidation, which we are, I mean, I think it's the consolidation, and we're waiting for a breakout, I do think a bullish breakout is more likely. So a breakout above 2.4, preferably also above 2.5, and then a continuation back up to 3 cents and probably higher. Because it rarely happens that if a crypto actually touches a price, it consolidates, and then it starts rallying again back up to the previous price. Usually we break out, right? So that would mean a price target of like 3.7 cents, whatever. And I think that bullish breakout is more likely to happen than a bearish breakout below 1.9 cents for now. But I still don't see enough reason to believe that bullish breakout is going to happen. All right, so for now, I think it's most likely we'll just keep moving sideways. And that's my prediction. And then at some point of time, and you can keep your eyes on this yourself as well. So this is my prediction. I don't really see a bullish breakout or a bearish breakout happening on the short term. But if we actually do see the open interest for NOT continuing to go up, and the spot and the CVD, which, as you can see, that's that blue line that runs through it, if that starts to bottom out, so that starts to find a bottom, then a bullish breakout becomes more likely. But like I said, I'll probably keep you updated on that in my middle of the day market update as well, so keep your eyes out for that. And this is what I think you need to know for now. All right, so if you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.